We live in a world where technology is a part of everything we do. It helps us to connect, have fun and learn. It betters our lives. And at ANOVO, we help you stay connected by extending the life of over 4 million devices each year. With over 20 years of experience, we implement our versatility in our service and teamwork to provide innovative solutions that really make a difference to our clients. Flexibility, innovation and client orientation form part of the intelligent logistics, repair and regeneration services that ANOVO offer. We add value to devices and reduce environmental impact, helping to create a more sustainable world.